Oh, yeah, it's time to start thinking about those crazy date nights. But let's see what's going on this weekend. Hot damn, we got a brand new coloring book and it's called Colorful Language. This one's definitely for the adults, so if you want to get a little bit more relaxation out of your profanity, this might be the book for you. So make sure you check down in the description for more details on where you can get your copy. Welcome back, Localtarians. We are here to talk about February 10th, 11th, and 12th. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We got the top 10 events for your weekend all planned out. Want to get more? We're going to tell you how to find those too, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so that you do not miss out on any of the fun things we got planned. All right, guys, let's go. Friday. 9 a.m. Cheryl Bogdanowicz. The Shape of Things at Crealdi's School of Art. Mondays through Saturday till May 27th. 10 a.m. The Big Bounce America at Desertland Action Park. $22 to $41. Come on out until February 12th. Last weekend to enjoy bouncing out at Desertland. 11 a.m. Cultural Fabric at Snap Downtown. This is a free art exhibit. Come on out and help support your art community. 11:30 a.m. Sours and Stouts with Rev Brewing at A La Carte. 12 p.m. Valentine's Day dining experience at B Resort and Spa. $179 to get the really classy experience. Going on now until February 14th. So grab your sweetie and come on out. 5 p.m. Oviedo Mall Carnival. Come on out to the Oviedo Mall. It is a free event to get in. Grab your tickets for your favorite rides. Going on now until February 12th. 6 p.m. Unusual Frida Juried Art Show at the Garden House Gallery at Harry P. Lou Gardens. $15 to come on out and enjoy this amazing event going on now until February 11th. 6 p.m. The Dark Type, Love is in the Air at the Nook on Robinson. 8 p.m. Howling Midnight, Sick Dogs, Moat Cobra, Narcoosee at Will's Pub. This is a 21 and up show for $7 to $10. Come on out, help support your local musicians, and enjoy some amazing draft beers and your favorite canned varieties, all kinds of great drinks. Come on in and enjoy a great night at Will's. And last but not least for your Friday, 9 p.m., Dark Echoes, Super Passive, DJ Hexorcist, DJ Azzy at the Falcon. All right, everybody, this is a free show, so come on out and help support this amazing little bar. All right, guys, still looking for even more great fun for your weekend or every day for that matter? Come on over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. On that page, we do put up a new event post every single day to the top of the page, so come check it out. And let's move into Saturday. 8 a.m. Purple Pride 5K at Exploria Stadium. $45. Come on out and show your pride. 9 a.m. Valentine's Pop-Up Market at Audubon Park Covenant Church. All right, guys, great time to come out and see what you want to get your sweetie. Come on out and support community markets in our area. 10 a.m. The 29th annual Paws in the Park at Lake Eola Park. Bring your pooches on out and let's have a free, fantastic time. 11 a.m. Makers and Bakers Sidewalk Market at Hometown Furniture and Decor Market. 12 p.m. Great way to score some brownie points with the ladies. Saturday Matinee Classics Dirty Dancing at Enzian Theater. 12 p.m. Cupid's Undie Run at Elixir. $40. Come on out, bring your cutest undies, and get to steppin'. 4 p.m. Broken Hearts Fest. Famous last words: Limbs, Dark Divine, Vagrants, Colorblind, Spider Insider, Not Enough Space, Hollowbrook at Conduit. $20. Come on out and get ready to rock. 6 p.m. Nude Night at Canvas Art Venue. $40 going on until February 11th. 7 p.m. on Saturday, Bleeding Hearts Club, an immersive murder mystery at Fringe Art Space. This will be going on until February 12th, so make sure you don't miss it. 9 p.m. Pick a Chick, a queer woman's Valentine's Day event at Southern Nights Orlando. All right, everybody, so much fun going on this weekend, not to mention throughout the week. So again, make sure you check for our event posts every single day. But remember, guys, there's other great things for you to check it. We've got some things down in the description, so make sure you don't miss those as well. Grab yourself a great drink, check out some of the other videos we've got going on, and let's get excited to be right here in our own city. Lots of amazing things going on here every single day, and no reason you should ever miss out on the fun. So let's get started with some Sunday. 9 a.m. 48th Mount Dora Arts Festival going on in downtown Mount Dora, and it's free. Come on out, support local arts, and enjoy a beautiful day walking among the created things from the people in your city. 10 a.m. Symphony Storytime Series, Just a Lucky So-and-So at the Plaza Live. Come on out, $10 for this outstanding event. 11 a.m. on Sunday, Vintage Valentine Market at Park Avenue CDs. Oh, guys, this one's going to be amazing. Make sure you don't miss out on that one. You know they've got some great vintage things, so get out there, enjoy it, find the great gift for your sweetie. 11 a.m. Valentine's Day Drag Brunch at Quantum Leap Winery. $75 to get you in and enjoy some amazingly paired wines with your brunch. 12 p.m. Milk Mart, Lazy Lovers at the Milk District. Another great place to come out and get that Valentine's vibe going. Find something amazing for yourself or for the one you love. 12 p.m. Mellow Market Sweethearts Edition at the Owl's Attic. Guys, this place is an amazing thrift store, vintage store, however you want to put it, amazing spot. Make sure you check it out and enjoy this amazingly wonderful market. 1 p.m. Love Your Shorts Film Festival at Ritz Theater at the Wayne Dench Performing Arts Center. $5 to $200 to come out and support these amazing small filmmakers and have a great time doing it. So come on out and enjoy. 5 p.m. on Sunday, the Big Game Watch Party at the Tin Roof. $25 to $40, and it's a 21 and up event, but come on out and let's get ready to watch some football. 8 p.m. Matt Woods, Sammy Kay, Larry Fulford, Ross McCoy at Will's Pub. 21 and up show, $10 to $15. Some amazing people in that lineup. I love all these guys. Make sure you don't miss out on a chance to enjoy some local music. 10 p.m. Autoclar, Hi-Fi Envelope, Snot's Nose, Salem at Uncle Lou's. All right, guys, there's lots of opportunity for some local music, some local markets. We got art. We got so much going on. What else could you ask for? All right, guys, you know what? All it needs is you. So add yourself to that equation. Get out there, have some fun, find a great place to eat, or in general, just take a stroll down the road and check out our beautiful city. All right, guys, as always, check the description for any events or other items down there that you might be interested in. You might find some great things for your Valentine. All right, guys, drop us a comment. Let us know what you thought about our events and where you'd like to see us do next. If you want to reach out to us, here is how you can reach us. And peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.